Hey, really quick before you watch this video, did you know that Xtreme Xperience is giving away $50,000 worth of driving experiences to deserving dads this Father's Day? That means that you could enter to win any one of these cars for your dad to drive on a real racetrack. Plus, we're offering 25% off of all of our cars, which means you could get you or your dad in the driver's seat for as low as $149. Enter below at the link in the description, and we'll see you on track.
I'm good. What do I need to show you?
Your order number or the booking ID if you have that handy.
Is it this one?
Yes, it is. All right. Perfect. Looks like you have a Lamborghini and a Ferrari.
Yes, I do. It's a birthday present.
All right. Happy birthday.
Thank you. 30 tomorrow. It's exciting.
The big 3.
I know. Do I get old? I don't know.
You got that picture? Okay.
So, did you have your license handy as well?
Yeah, I do.
Perfect. Thank you. Was not made in your basement?
No, it wasn't. No, it's a real ID.
Perfect.
Then you need...
Yes, your waiver. Do you have your waiver photo if it's in your text messages?
Yeah, it's a great photo.
You look so happy.
I know.
So here's your red wristband. You'll actually put this on your right wrist. Would you like some assistance with that?
That would be great.
It's a little windy and
Yeah.
it's pretty hard to do it.
Awesome.
I have a lot of practice, so
Yeah.
take a walk for me.
Sweet. Thank you very much.
No problem. All right. So this USB I'm going to hand over to you is for the instructor. When you get in the car, you'll hand that over to him to make sure to refill your entire drive.
Awesome.
Here are your texts. And we have a text message system for when you are going to get into line for experience in the police area. What's the best mobile number I can send that to?
It's 76.
Alright, so your next stop from here will be the safety class in that white tent on the other side of this trailer, set for 350.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great time.
Your instructor has to turn it into manual mode for you. Now, can you go to the back of the pack? You absolutely can. My first ever customer with Xtreme Xperience. Hey, the sound.
Perfect.
gosh.
I don't know yet.
All right. Dude, that was awesome, man.
Like it?
Yeah, it was amazing.
All right.
Thank you.
Also write that in for me, okay?
Awesome, will do. Thank you.
No, you're not.
It was awesome. So much fun.
Got your USB.
Is that you?
Yeah. We're gonna take a look at your video, making sure everything's working properly.
Oh yeah, they're
Yeah.
probably still printing out when the next batch of photos
Alright.
comes out. I'll show you.
Okay, so perfect. I just looked through pretty quickly. We have you starting in the pit and returning to the pit, so all of your laps are recorded.
Awesome.
Here's a preview of what the video looks like.
Go like this really good.
Sweet.
So both cameras are working properly.
Yeah.
Track map, speedometer, and G-force radar look good as well.
Very cool.
Were you interested in purchasing that if you haven't already?
Yeah,
You
sure.
guys are gonna want to take that like
Alrighty.
$55.
That'll be $65.
Take credit card.
Yeah. Perfect.
Them two. it
Thank
was
you.
expensive.
Thank you
That's
so
it.
much. You're all set. Thank you for coming. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Awesome. Thanks.